We're at Animal Kingdom Lodge, and today we're gonna check it out. Yeah!
What's up, everyone? We are here at Animal Kingdom Lodge to take a tour of the one-bedroom villa at Kidani Village and to look around this beautiful resort. Now, there's two buildings at Animal Kingdom Lodge. Jambo House is the main building, and Kidani Village, where we are staying, was an add-on. But before we take a look at our room, let's take a look at the main lobby in Jambo House. It is absolutely amazing. Check it out. That is such a beautiful lobby, especially at Christmas time. Now let's head on over and check out our room in Kidani Village. We are here at Animal Kingdom Lodge. This is our first time staying here. We're in the Kidani Village. I'm going to give you a tour of the one-bedroom suite. So right here off the bat, we have a bathroom. There's two bathrooms. This is kind of a secondary bathroom for everyone to use. And then right across here we have laundry. That's really nice to have. Washer and dryer. Come in here, you got the kitchen and living room area. So this unit sleeps 5. There's the main bedroom, and then this turns into a bed. And then this is a pull-out couch, so there's 3 that can sleep out here. We've got a full kitchen with a refrigerator, stove, oven, dishwasher, plates, everything you need. And here's the main bedroom. Nice big comfy bed. And look at this bathroom. This bathroom is really nice. Great big bathroom. Another toilet. Look at this great big shower.
I scared you.
Oh my goodness, there's Preston.
Let's go. Yeah.
You can show us the main attraction, Preston.
Yeah.
Where's the main attraction? We have a Savannah View. Check it out.
And here's my brother Mason, and here's my dad.
Hey.
They're out here enjoying the view. There's been quite a few animals through here. There's not a whole lot right now. There's one way out there. Kind of a bull type thing. Great big horns. There was several giraffe and
we saw like a gorilla.
we saw a gorilla.
Yeah, I saw a gorilla. I didn't see it, so it doesn't believe me.
So we may not have actually seen a gorilla, but we did see quite a few other animals throughout the resort. Let's take a look. after the sun went down, we went exploring and we found a fire pit where you could roast marshmallows for free, or they did have a little s'mores kit that you could purchase for about $6. So we went ahead and got one of those and had some yummy s'mores, but it was a little overpriced for what you got because it was a very small amount. And then we decided to go to the pool.
Check out this awesome pool.
We had so much fun here and can't wait to come back again. There's so much to see and do with all the different animals and the restaurants and the really nice pools. You should definitely try it out, but make sure to save time to enjoy this beautiful resort. And definitely come at Christmas. It is gorgeous. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe.
Bye. Peace out.